Okay, good morning, class. In a previous chapter, we had studied about adaptive or adaptive physical education, and in this, we had discussed about ensure services to meet special need, motor development or a motor skill is needed, enhance self esteem and self image, ensure participation in physical education program, improve physical fitness. These are some of the common objectives of adaptive physical education, and we had studied why the aim and objectives are very important for physical disabilities children. Now today's we are going to study about, and this lecture is about organizational promotion adaptive sports, Special Olympic Bharat and Para Olympic Deaflympics. What is Special Olympic Bharat? Special Olympic Bharat is an officially organized program of Special Olympics International which was started by Eunice Kennedy Shriver. And who is Kennedy Shriver? John of sister of John F. Kennedy, the former president of USA. John F. Kennedy was the former president of USA. In fact, she believed that with equal opportunity and experiences as anyone else, people with intellectual disabilities could compete for more than ever than possible. She was convinced that children with intellectual disabilities could be exceptional athletes, sport person, and that through sports they can realize their potential for growth and development. In this, also, the physical education for development and growth for their full potential for growth and development, it is very important. Special Olympic Bharat is a movement that use sports and catalyze to change the children of an adult with intellectual disabilities or mentally challenged person. It was founded in 1987 as Special Olympic India and changed to Special Olympic Bharat when it is found in 1987. In 1987, it was founded in 1987 as Special Olympic India and changed to Special Olympic Bharat in 2001 It is recognized by the Government of India as National Sports Federation for development of sports opportunity for the people with intellectual disabilities. Intellectual disability means multiple disabilities. This Special Olympic Bharat program has so far drawn a number of coaches to work with 80 lakh 50,875 athletes across the country. Mission, what was the mission? Its mission is to provide sports training and organize sports competition throughout the year for children and adults with intellectual disabilities, giving them persistent opportunities to develop physical fitness, demonstrate courage, experience joy, and to participate in sharing of gifts, skills, and friendship with their families. Other Special Olympic athletes and the community. This is the mission. Disabilities given to the persistent opportunities. The mission of Special Olympic Bharat is that equal opportunities should be given to develop physical fitness and courage and experience joy and participate in sharing gifts among their families and friends. This is the mission and vision. It is a movement which improves the lives of people with intellectual disabilities, in turn, the life of everyone they touch through sports training and sports competition. It's empower people with intellectual disabilities to realize their full potential and develop their skills through intense sports training and competition. Consequently, the athletes, sports person with intellectual disabilities become fulfilled and productive member of their family while taking part in Special Olympic Bharat. They are joyful, healthy, and skillful. Oath Oath of Special Olympic Bharat is let me win, but if I cannot win, let me brave in the attempt. What is the oath, students? Let me win, but if I cannot win, let me brave in the attempt. Its goal is to provide chance to differently able people to develop physical fitness. The main aim is to develop physical fitness and achievements. What are their achievements? Special Olympic Bharat has been organized National Olympic Games in various disciplines since 2002, like national games such as national games floor hockey, national football and table tennis championship, national volleyball and basketball championship, and National Badminton Championship. At total of 885 achievements. Special Olympic Bharat has been organized national game in various disciplines like floor hockey, National Football and Table Tennis Championship. A total of 885 athletes have participated in the 8 World Summer Games and 5 World Winter Games between 1987 and 2015. These are the achievements, benefits, benefits. It improve physical fitness and motor skills, instill greater self-confidence and positive self-image. We had already came to know about adaptive. These are the objectives of adaptive physical education, promoting health of athletes and building communities. In fact, it helps in strengthening athletes mentally, physically, socially, and emotionally. Paralympic Games. Paralympic Games are major international multi-sports event for athletes with various disabilities, and these abilities are like amputation, blindness, cerebral palsy. Paralympic Games are held at interval of every 4 years. How many years? At every 4 years. The first Paralympic Games were held in Rome in 1960. Where? In Rome in 1960. However, the Paralympic word is used officially in 1988 Summer Olympic Games were held in Seoul. These were Summer Paralympic Games. Categories of disabilities in International Paralympic Committee has established 10 disabilities categories including physical, visual and intellectual impairment. What are these three? Physical, visual and intellectual. Physical, visual and intellectual impairment. Athletes with one of these disability can participate in Paralympics. Though not every sport can allow for every disability, physical impairment or disability includes impaired muscles power, loss of limbs, leg length difference, short stature. Disability includes the significant impairment of intellectual functioning. Can participate in Paralympic Games. The International Paralympic Committee mainly serve athletes with physical and visual disability, whereas intellectual disability has been added to some Paralympic Games. In intellectual disability in Paralympic Games, Deaflympics. Deaflympics used to be called World Games for Deaf. For whom Deaflympics are? For deaf. The Deaflympics are an international Olympic Committee sanctioned event in which deaf athletes are at elite level, especially is for deafs, those who cannot hear. In Deaflympics, the starter gun, bullhorn, commands, or referee whistle are not used as seen in Olympics. The Paralympics and Special Olympics. Flags or any visual signals are used to alert the participants. These games has been organized by International Committee of Sports Deaf since the first event. Oldest world's second oldest multiple sports after Olympic. These games are world's fastest growing sports event. So students, we came to know about what is Deaflympic and for whom Deaflympics are organized for deaf, and this was the first event. Deaflympics are more than just the world's second oldest. It is second oldest sports and game. Deaflympics are held once in 4 years. The first game held in Paris in France 1924. In 1924 were also the first ever international sporting event for athletes with a disability. Since 1924, these games have been held persistently after every 4 years. However, these games were not held twice due to World War II. Deaflympics Winter Games start in 1949. In 1924, in Paris, only 148 athletes from 9 European countries participated. This is all about Deaflympics. We came to know about Paralympic Games. What is Paralympic? Word is used officially in summer games for disabilities, multiple disabilities, and for Deaflympics. Deaflympics is only deaf, for deaf person, those who are unable to hear. Here you can see the logo of Deaflympic: green, yellow, purple, and red. This is the logo of Deaflympic.